Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Gmail inbox is drowning in Facebook notifications and you're tired of all that clutter, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you a quick and simple way to stop Facebook notifications from showing up in your email. A full guide for 2025. Stick with me until the end because once you follow these steps, your inbox will finally feel clean and organized again. Step 1. Accessing settings. First, open your browser and go to facebook.com. Log into your account, then click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, and then click Settings. Step 2. Navigating to Notifications. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see an option called Notifications. This is your central hub for managing alerts. Click on it to continue. Step 3. Disabling email notifications. Now scroll down and you'll see different categories like comments, tags, friend requests, and more. Each category has its own settings. Click the little arrow next to a category to expand it. Find the option for email notifications. Simply toggle it off. Repeat this step for every category you don't want emails for. This is important. Facebook requires you to turn off email notifications one category at a time. But the good news is, once you do this, those constant alerts will stop flooding your Gmail. Key benefits. By customizing these settings, you get granular control and you decide what's important enough to land in your inbox. Less clutter, no more irrelevant notifications mixed with real emails. More focus, a cleaner inbox means better productivity and less distraction. And that's it. In just a couple of minutes, you can take back control of your Gmail and stop Facebook from overwhelming your inbox. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and check out the description for more tips and resources. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.